So this is our there's an ejector pit for the bathrooms and everything down here, which is fine. But this pipe runs across and has been emptying something there for a long time at the sump pump. And it's wet, so it's whatever it is, it's doing it now. But it's weird because it goes up and over, and what in the world? And into this drain right here. Across, over, down. Let's make sure I'm looking at the right one, because there's actually another one right there. So that's actually the discharge, sorry, from our ejector pump, so that is okay. And then the other line is the vent. I think it goes up to the roof, so that's all right. Right down in the basement could conceivably be this laundry drain.
Why do you think that?
No, because it's located right about the same spot here as it would be in the basement. But that would be an awful lot. I can't imagine they would do something nice over here. There's actually a fan on this washer blowing air out back here. Where's this? And I don't know what's on the other, because that's like that butler's pantry up there. I thought that we were looking. We'll have to go up there because there's a sink drain of some kind there too. And the benefit of a premium is we can put the IR camera on that and know if it's wet or not. It looks old and dry, but
you know, I could maybe climb up there a little bit and stick a moisture meter up there and kind of see.
I get the feeling because it's spray foamed around the rim joist that they did that later. I mean, it might be worth getting a moisture meter on it if you think you can do it safely.
Okay.
Nope.
Which pipe are you pointing to then?
This one.
That looks like. Well, let me follow it. See here, where did that go?
Is probably the condensate drain from the second floor furnace.
Okay.
Coming all the way down here.
Do you think, and why in particular is that bad?
If it's the condensate drain, it's not necessarily bad, but it should be routed through the lid of the sump pump into the pit itself.
Okay, instead of just dropping on
Fine,
top.
instead of just dropping on top.
Okay.
The only other possibility is it has something to do with the washer drain, which is directly on the other side of the wall from that furnace. But I can't imagine that's a washer drain, because that would put so much water down that pipe that this whole area would be flooded.
Yeah.
So all I can think of is that it's the furnace condensate drain from upstairs, and it ought to be routed through the lid.